I told you guys, this is our kids from Noah's boat. Yeah, sometimes we used to go to the river to fetch the water because we don't have enough water inside this compound. I drilled water like 13 years ago. As I told you, our battery now are going off. Batteries are not working. And I was struggling so much to have light in this compound. So I started to buy small bulbs and small battery to put in every room and wire. So all this big house is 32 rooms, and we managed to put like 12 rooms bulbs and small solar and small battery. Yeah, and that's what is going here. And this area is for our boys. Yes. So this is the boys area. Guys, as you can see, these rooms is for the teachers. Yes, this is 2 rooms. It's for the teachers, guys. And down there it was my shop, but now it has nothing inside. Yes, guys, the 2 rooms is for the teachers' room. And everybody here is busy today. We are trying to work hard, trying to correct the irons, papers outside here, making general cleaning everywhere, and thrashing. Yes, we are trying to make sure that this compound is very clean. Yes, guys, the kids are here. They are trying their best to make sure that their side looking very nice. Yes, as you can see here, yeah, they are making the compound to look very nice. Yes, and things are working very nice here. Yes, guys, everybody's here is very busy. Yes, this is Eric. He's trying to make sure that the compound looks very clean. So guys, this the big metal house. This is our school, and we have like this is 3 big classrooms. The first one is PP1 and PP2 and grade 1, and then we have grade 2 there. Yes, that is grade 2. So we have PP1, PP2, grade 1 and grade 2, and this is our place that we were fetching water from. It is a well of water, so sometime when it is raining we used to get water from here. Yeah, the big girls used to come here and try to fetch water from inside this borehole. This one is not the one that we use pump. We can use a rope and we fetch the water. Yeah. Yes, guys. So as you can see, yeah. So this is Maricela. He was trying to fetch water from here. As you can see, they use rope. Yes, just like that. It's okay. And when you are here, You can see our garden very, very well. Yeah. You can see banana trees, gravelia tree. We have a gravelia tree here, and even banana trees just down here. We have a lot of tree, avocado tree, mango trees just there, and lemon tree, and even the land of maize. When you're here, you see it very, very well. This is a pit where we used to put all the stuffs. And then this is our compound here. We have a very, very nice tree outside here. Yes, guys. And we really thank God. This is the shade where the boys used to come in. They chill here. It's a very small shade for the boys. There's another room where the watchman used to stay. But now we don't have any workers in this compound. Yes, this is one of our classroom. Yeah. Yes, guys. If we can come just near here, then you can see what is going on here. Yeah, we have some stuffs that our kids try to make in their class. So then this tank, black tank, is for the boys, and blue tank is for the girls here, guys. This is for the girls, this is for the boys. Yes, that's for the boys. They are trying to make sure that things are very, very clean and arranged very well. Yeah. So guys, you see our big metal. My first house, I was staying here with 189 kids, and it has like 20 rooms. Yeah, we started here. By that time I was staying here with the girls, and boys were staying here. These are 5 big rooms for the boys. They used to stay here. This is first room. Yes, second room, third, fourth, and fifth. And this is their toilet, guys. This is the toilet for the boys. Toilet for the boys. She's here, guys. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, they have a bathroom here where they are taking shower. It's just here. This is for the boys, near to their house, guys. They use this toilet even the night. Yes, they use this toilet in the night. Yeah, in the night they use this one. There are 3 of them. Yes, this is their toilet, guys. Yeah, so first, second, and third, and fourth here. Yes, these are the toilet for the boys, guys. Their toilet here. Yes, and this is other tank, the water that they are using in their bathroom is here. This is the tank to this bathroom of these boys. Down there we have other houses. Those houses were built for the teachers, but now the teachers are not staying here. We only 2 teachers staying to the other side. But for now, these rooms, the big boys are staying here. So that's so good, guys. So welcome Noah's Boat, and let us work together. Yes. Remember to subscribe my channel, Noah's Boat, House of Refuge. This is Pastor Esther, and remember to share. Just put your comment there, any advice. Yeah, you can see the girls coming from the river. Yes, and if you need my number, if you need to communicate with me, my numbers are +254 727 90 22 06. Yes guys, God bless you so much. Thank you for watching our video. I'm going to close this video now, and let us meet to the next video. I love you so much guys. Please welcome, support me, support our kids. Be blessed. Amen and amen. Yes.